Here we are in Woodrow in Redditch, on the old railway line. This line was part of the old Redditch to Evesham Railway, which closed to passengers in 1963 with freight finishing the following year. So now we're on the old track bed, which is just a walkway, and the rest of it is a public footpath and cycle track. Get a shot of the embankment there. Now we're on the old railway bridge. So now we have arrived at this is the Parker's opening old railway bridge. I'll just go down here. I just find a way to get down. Oh. Maybe we just won't. So anyway, I'm sure we can get through there. Ouch. Or maybe this isn't a good idea. This isn't really a good idea, but I just want to look at the bridge. It's not all brambly down here, but here you have it. Parker's opening old railway bridge in Redditch on the old Redditch to Evesham line.